Hello, welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 246. This was the 3rd of May 2023, a Wednesday. So again, more of the same for this day. It was just this 2 weeks had been a marathon working this platform with leads. Haven't had much success. I did enroll 6 people total over the course of almost 2 weeks. So it is what it is. So I have learned quite a bit. So it's not a lost cause, but it's been a really tough 2 weeks, and I'm looking forward to getting back into my regular routine of things after these 2 weeks are up. So my gratitude of the day comes to people who do the Facebook ads, Facebook, and the people who work on Facebook ads and having that social media marketing. It really is a game changer to be able to connect to people who want your products and services that you're offering. So it's a huge thing. And that's just not Facebook, but that's Google, YouTube, all these other different means and mechanisms. Just a real game changer. So that's it for day 246. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you tomorrow.